Hi everyone, it's Raegan at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm going to be asking our shop foreman, Doug Dixon, about brake service. So Doug, how often should we service our brakes on our Toyota vehicles?
So I think if you're like most people, when you think about the brakes on your vehicle, you think mainly about their ability to stop it. What you may not realize, however, is that modern vehicles also use the brakes for many safety systems such as ABS, vehicle stability control, and traction control. While in most cases the brakes work seamlessly day in, day out, there are factors that can affect their ability to wear evenly, reduce heat, and reduce drag. So whether your vehicle utilizes four-wheel disc brakes or has a combination of disc and drum, they are subject to environmental contaminations such as gravel, dirt, and in winter especially, road salt, calcium chloride. So all of those things can cause abnormal operation or sticking of the brakes. That's why we recommend every 2 years or 32,000 kilometers, we recommend doing what we call a brake service. This includes removing the wheels, removing the calipers, the pads, doing a thorough cleaning of the pads, the sliders, anything related to the brake system to help get all that contamination out of there and get them working smoothly again. This will prevent uneven wear, heat, and in some cases, fuel consumption.
Thanks Doug. If you have any other questions about brake service, please give us a call or come on down to the dealership.